The first piece we are going to show tonight is called Your Girl, and it's a piece from 2007, and it's the first piece that I did as a maker. And on the stage you have a very small girl, 99 centimeters, with a disease that is called osteogenesis imperfecta, and a very tall boy, Matteo, beside her, and they play this game of the flower, no? She loves me not, he loves me not. But they do this with the dresses until they don't go naked at the end of the performance. It's a performance about desire, about love, about the fact that in a certain sense we feel the same things also if our bodies is very different. The second piece is the last one, and it's called Untitled I Will Be There When You Die, and it's about a practice, very specific practice, the practice of the juggling. So you have four professional jugglers on the stage, plus one live musician, Pablo Esbert Lilienfeld, Spanish musician. The performance describes how weird is this practice, because you are fighting against gravity, you are fighting against something that you cannot win. And with the repetition of this movement, with the repetition of this object thrown into the air, it seems that you are telling a very specific story, but in reality it's so specific that anyone in the audience can recognize something of their self, because you can see yourself in front of the mistakes of your life, you can see yourself into the idea of insisting against to something that it's impossible to win, but you still do it. So I will be there when you die, because this practice is so important for these people that is the last thing that they are going to feel until the end, is that they were born this way, with this special way to manipulate object, and this is something that they have inside their DNA, and for the rest of their life they are going to be this. I'm very happy to be here, especially because it's the first time I come to Valencia, and normally I'm very suspicious about a festival that includes into the programmation some topics about people with handicaps, because if you see the performance you understand very well that it's not about the fact that you don't have something, but it's about the fact that you have something special. So I think that it's completely clear that if you have a different body, if you have a different way to move, if you have a different way to think, it's something that adds something more to, as I was telling before, it's like you are showing something that is very particular. The problem with this topic is that today it's very difficult to look inside yourself and to take the time to listen, to feel what you feel, to listen to your body, to listen what you have inside. And I don't think it's by chance, because the first work that we do during the rehearsal, during the production of the piece, is just don't move, stay in a place, just try to connect your body and your mind to the here and now. And normally if you come to see my shows, you don't have any characters, you just see the people, that they are what they are. So Chiara is going to be Chiara, Matteo is going to be Matteo. The jugglers are four professional jugglers, and they don't act, they don't pretend they are someone else. So I think the most beautiful thing of this job is to have the opportunity to get in touch with the people, and to have the opportunity to slow down time and take your time just to listen how your skin is feeling, to listen how your breath is, to listen how is your position in relation to the space, in relation to the audience, in relation to the moment that you are living, and which are the strategies. And this is very difficult because it's live art, so you never know what can happen. The strategy to find, to really try to stay in the here and now, and don't think about something else.